Hi, I'm Deb Martin, principal of Madison STEAM Academy. I'd like to introduce Kelly Malik, our aspiring leader, and Mark Zakay, our Makerspace teacher. Madison Primary Center officially became Madison STEAM Academy in 2018. Madison was also South Bend Community School Corporation's first IDOE STEM certified school and is currently going through its first STEM renewal process. Our dedicated staff created grade level STEAM units of study that integrated science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math through all curricular activities. And math through all curricular disciplines, as well as engaging students in project, problem, and place-based learning. Our engaging and integrative curriculum allows for independent, innovative, and creative thinking that allows students to create and show their work in amazing ways. A $3.1 million STEM transformation grant allowed us to purchase robotics and coding materials, Lego writing, electricity boards, 3D printers, and hands-on 21st century resources for every unit of study created by our staff. We were also able to purchase instruments, art supplies, and materials to fund and furnish our 3 new K-5 specials: Makerspace, Technology Integration, and in the Innovation Lab. Kelly will now share with you a little more about our unique curriculum and clubs.
Throughout the years, Madison STEAM Academy has provided our students with numerous extracurricular activities which enhance our curriculum and assist us in achieving our school's mission and vision. Some of the extracurricular activities that have been provided are Girls on the Run, which is a program where girls in grades 3rd through 5th grade meet in small teams with trained volunteer coaches who inspire girls to build confidence and other important life skills through dynamic interactive lessons and physical activity. Through a partnership with Positive Outlook Inc., we are able to provide a mentoring program that promotes individual responsibility, academic excellence, and improving health and wellness through sports. Positive Outlook Inc. strives to help students aspire to excel in life and healthy lifestyles and behaviors. In partnership with South Bend Bears Lacrosse Club, Madison STEAM Academy was able to provide a 6-session after-school lacrosse program to students in grades 2 through 5. While students were learning how to play lacrosse, they were able to make real-world connections to various STEAM topics, such as potential energy, kinetic energy, and geometry in order to improve their performance when playing lacrosse. And we have some pictures from our lacrosse club last year. This year, all students at Madison STEAM Academy will become Cub Scouts through Boy Scouts of America. In scouting, boys and girls start with their best right now selves and grow into their very best future selves. It's fun, hands-on learning and achievement that puts kids in the middle of the action and prepares them for today and for life. All of these extracurricular activities support our STEAM-focused curriculum. As a STEM certified school, Madison STEAM Academy offers a curriculum that provides students with unique learning opportunities that are both engaging and relevant to our students' lives. Through our integrated STEAM units of study, the staff at Madison STEAM Academy uses problem, project, and place-based learning and inquiry-based instruction, which are 2 key components of evidence-based effective STEAM instruction. Problem-based and/or project-based learning is a method of teaching and learning which anchors the teaching of disciplinary content in the context of solving a real-world problem or challenge. PBL curriculum generally spans 1 to several weeks of instruction that should be delivered in an integrated manner, including science, mathematics, and other disciplines to show authentic connections. The problem or challenge is introduced on the first day of the unit and is followed by the teaching of content through discussion, investigation, exploration, research, and students apply their knowledge in real time as they develop potential solutions and other deliverables. Inquiry-based instruction is a method of teaching and learning that can be used to deliver lessons on a daily basis in the primary disciplines and beyond. Inquiry begins with the teacher presenting the students with a question to explore or having students develop their own questions. As the students investigate the question, they give priority to evidence that is gathered through research and exploring and formulate explanations to describe their findings based on evidence or data collected. Students connect explanations to their knowledge and current understandings in the discipline and then communicate and justify their explanations. Each unit of study also includes an expedition or a field trip where students are given the opportunity to make connections between what they are learning in the classroom and real-world experiences. And these are just some pictures from a few of our expeditions throughout the years. Furthermore, here are some pictures of our students working on their STEAM projects. I believe they are kindergartners who are building a ramp, and then fifth graders were working on an oil spill. To address the the staff at Madison STEAM Academy believes that we are an integral part we play an integral part in building the foundation so that students can meet the ever-changing needs of today's workforce. To achieve this, the staff incorporates opportunities for students to practice employability skills such as self-discipline, independence, perseverance, time management and organization, and effective communication. To address the social and emotional needs of our students, we have a full-time social worker, a full-time behavior interventionist, a social emotional learning curriculum that addresses the social emotional needs of all of our students, and numerous therapy dogs who play a significant role in helping our students regulate their emotions and improve their confidence in themselves. To support and enhance our STEAM program at Madison STEAM Academy, our students have the opportunity to attend 5 STEAM-based classes: art, music, technology integration, Makerspace, and innovation lab. Our Makerspace teacher, Mark Zakay, is going to talk about the unique experiences our students have in Makerspace and innovation lab.
Hi, my name is Mark Zakay, and I'm the Makerspace teacher here at Madison. I want to first off say currently we're the only school to have a Makerspace K-5, so I'm pretty excited about saying that. The other thing is a lot of people ask when they come to my room is, what is a Makerspace? Well, a Makerspace is a collaborative workspace for making, learning, exploring, and sharing that uses high-tech to no-tech tools. It provides our students with hands-on learning, helps with critical thinking skills, and even boosts self-confidence. It's great to see this kind of skills being used, life skills being used, and working with others and being able to communicate and agree on their builds. Some students struggle because their design doesn't always work the first time, but being able to use the engineering design process that we implement in our classroom, students understand it's okay to fail, but to not give up. We then discuss how easy it is to quit, and that's a habit we don't want to create in our room or in anything that might be difficult in life. Some of the things that we talk about, first off, what I do in the classroom is we give real-life challenges to each grade level that is connected with STEAM units and the state standards. One of the things that we've been fortunate to have is we have over 100, well over 100 choices of material to choose from. Some of the fun items that we get to use in the challenges are 3D printers, drones, paper airplane propellers, Lego wall, circuits, Cricut machine, a sewing machine, glue guns, and even a hammer and nails. It's great to see students researching with their group to find ways to make their challenge build successful. When the kids are working together and they're working in their small groups, they use vocab that you expect them to be, I would say that you would expect to see that being discussed with kids that have that background knowledge. And so when they have that background knowledge, they're able to help them with be successful on their builds. To go along with the Makerspace, we have a room called the Innovation Lab, which is new this year, and that is focusing on coding and robotics. In there, we have dot and dashes, spheros, we do 2.0s, Ozbots, Cubelets, Code and Go robot mice, and Botley, the coding robot. Working on challenging there, as well as like my room. And then eventually what we like to get to is these classrooms be connected with one another to build those challenges. So please come back. I know that it's different to hear it this way, but when you come into the Makerspace, it's easier to see it in person than it is to just, let me tell you, explain it to you. So coming into it, we'd love to see you guys and show off what we have to showcase at Madison. Now, all of us at Madison are very fortunate to have what we have is another big part in our success is having all the partnerships that we have with our school. With them, we have enhanced our students' learning and helped give our students an amazing experience at their time with us at Madison. So I'd like to give that back to Deb, and she'll explain a little more about the partnerships.
Thank you, Mr. Zakay. One of the things that makes Madison so unique is our enormous amount of partnerships. Just to mention a few, Yellow Cat Cafe, Notre Dame, St. Mary's, Holy Cross, IUSB, Cultivate, the Food Bank, Christ the King Lutheran Church, the Methodist Church, the Shoe Tree, Notre Dame Dream Teams, Memorial Hospital, and South Bend Parks. Madison's unique location, located between Memorial Hospital and Leeper Park, along with working as truly collaborative partners, has afforded our students some wonderful opportunities. Madison uses Leeper Park as an outdoor learning lab every day. Madison's unique location affords us some wonderful opportunities. One of the things is our K-3. All the K-3 classrooms have a 25 by 70 foot vegetable garden. Our 4th grade planted and attends to the lavender labyrinth that leads up to the fountain. Our 5th grade will be maintaining several of the flower beds that are located in Leeper Park. Our students designed the new playground that is located across the school in Leeper Park, and we use it all the day as part of our playground itself. Madison has also helped in renewing the amphitheater, of which our students will use to perform plays and musicals on. As you have heard today, we are very excited about all the things Madison has to offer your child. One of our biggest assets that we haven't talked about is our staff. We have some of the greatest and most dedicated people I have ever had the pleasure of working with. The climate at Madison is that of a family, and we treat our students like they are our own children. We would love to welcome you to take a tour of Madison and see for yourself how wonderful it truly is. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to consider Madison STEAM Academy as the next great thing for your child. Please follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Also, if you have questions, you can ask at this time, or feel free to send us on our email or our website. Also, if you would like to make a tour or take a tour, please stop by, set up an appointment, and we'll be sure to show you around. Thank you and have a great day.